Hi guys, welcome to this week's breakfast meal prep video. This week we're gonna make an egg scramble. We'll have it ready for the whole week so that we're organized, ready to go. We don't have to worry about cooking breakfast. So in the egg scramble, we're gonna have eggs, of course, sausage. This week I'm gonna use maple sausage, bell pepper, potatoes, some cheese, and some seasonings. This is a really easy recipe. Of course, I love easy recipes because love to save time, love to be organized, and so we're gonna have this one ready for the week. So we'll start by, I already washed the potatoes, and we'll chop up the potatoes and the bell peppers, all right? We've washed our potatoes and bell peppers. Now we're gonna slice them up. And it's preference on how big or how small you would like your potatoes and your peppers. I actually like mine kind of small. Also, the smaller you chop your potatoes, the faster they'll cook. All right, we've diced up the potatoes, so now we'll start dicing up the bell peppers. And again, same as the potatoes, it's your preference on how big or small you would like to dice these up. All right, the peppers and the potatoes are all diced up. We're ready to cook them on the skillet. Okay, we're gonna heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use coconut oil. We'll heat it a little bit, and then we'll put in our potatoes and our peppers. All right. So put in our potatoes and our peppers, we'll mix them around. I like to add about 1 tablespoon of seasonings. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll check on it and see how it's doing. Okay, while the potatoes and the peppers are cooking, we'll go ahead and make the eggs so we can have them ready. Today I'm gonna use 12 eggs it'll be for the whole week's meal prep. Okay, I like to add a little bit of milk to my eggs before I mix them up. I want to beat the eggs completely so that they're all mixed together, all broken up. All of the yolks are broken up. Everything is mixed completely. Okay, we're gonna add the sausage into the skillet, and we're gonna break it up and brown it so that it's cooked thoroughly. any kind of sausage you'd like, regular, traditional. This is a maple flavored sausage. Just gives it a little extra flavor. Okay, now that the sausage is cooked through, we're going to add in the potatoes and peppers. Okay, so I sprayed a little bit of cooking oil in the pan, even though it's a non-stick pan. We'll still want to use a little bit of cooking oil. You can use coconut oil if you'd like. We will cook up the eggs. Okay, we're gonna cook the eggs just on medium heat, stirring a bit. They don't take long to cook, especially in this big pan. We'll keep stirring the eggs occasionally as they're cooking so they don't burn on the bottom. All right, so our eggs are all cooked. They're nice and fluffy. Okay, I've added in the sausage and the potatoes and the peppers. So now we're just gonna mix it so it's all just mixed together, the eggs with everything. All right, the scramble is done. Our meal prep for this week is all put together, but now we're gonna let it cool so that we can portion it into our daily containers. All right, so the scramble's done, and now we're gonna portion out to our containers, same containers that I use for lunch as well. Perfect size to have we're gonna have about a cup in each one. We don't wanna overeat, but we still wanna have enough to be full for a while. The potatoes will keep us full as well. Each container with the scramble. We'll still make sure that it's all the way cool before we put the lids on, put them in the refrigerator. And now we have breakfast ready for the whole week. You can check the description box below for all the ingredients and any other instructions. Don't forget to click below and subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly breakfast or lunch meal prep ideas. I hope everyone has a great week. Bye guys.